Hi, in this video we are going to cover the last settings tab in Windows 11 settings, that is Windows updates. You can see today is Wednesday. Actually it's after 12:30, 12 o'clock, so in the night it's Thursday officially. But every Wednesday Microsoft Windows Insider Preview, the insiders, they receive the preview update, the pre-release. My system is already downloading it. If there is any update, you can click here for refresh and it will check for update. If not, then you will not be asked. It will show you the system is updated. If you don't want the system to use updates, suppose you are traveling, you can pause the updates for a week. If you click that, it will not get any updates for a week, so you will not get bothered for any reason. Or if, for example, you're working on any project, you don't want to restart for a time like half an hour, 20 minutes. You don't want to waste time. You can use this option. You can see update history, all updates by the date. This is 21st, this is 13, 5th, and so on. All the updates, how they are done, what has happened, what was included in those updates, the quality updates. There are 24. If you'd like to learn more, it will take you to the web page. What actually happened? They have a whole log of what has happened during these updates. This was a major update in May, that was 22H2, the second half. Next, we have this. You might not see, or you might see it, get insider or join insider program. Once you click there, it will ask you to join. You can choose which option while you are joining, which option you want to use. Dev channel, that is ideal for highly technical users. Be the first to access Windows 11 builds earliest in the development cycle, means whatever they are developing every week, every few days, 3 4 days, you will get to see. But there is a catch in that. It will have rough edges and low stability. That means if you are using the PC for or your laptop for work, don't do this. Recommended is usually beta channel. Beta channel is after people like us, we have tested the development channel updates and everything goes fine and there are not much errors or reports. You can see that all those updates will appear here. So these builds are more reliable than builds from our dev channel. So your feedback is that has the greatest impact here. Whatever the feedback that has been given here is used. The last one is the release preview. This is uh, ideal if you want to preview fixes and certain key features. Plus, get optional access to next version of Windows before it's generally available to the world. This channel is also recommended to commercial users. You can get release preview. This is also more stable than even beta channel. So they issue a release before they actually issue the update for general public. To join, you need to have a Microsoft account. If you want to stop, you can go there and click stop, unenroll this device, and it will take you to the web page where you will unenroll the development program. We skip this one, advanced settings, because it will have many settings. We'll explain them, but right now you can see our update 25.188.1000. It has downloaded 100%, but now it will begin to install. Yes, now installing started. Let's move on to advanced settings. Under advanced settings, you receive updates for other Microsoft products. For example, if you are using Xbox, if you are using Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, Microsoft, other products. If you would like to choose, you can choose. If you don't want, disable it. Get me to the update as soon as restart as soon as possible. If you do that, whatever happens when the download is updated, it will give you 15 minutes before restarting. I don't want that. The next option is download over metered connection. For example, if you are using a SIM card in the laptop, or if you are using a Ethernet connection, for example, you're connected to your mobile phone, the system will take it as a metered connection. So there might be limited data usage you have, so it will not download over that. Notify me when I restart. When a restart is required to finish updating, the system will notify you. If I enable that, so when this update will complete installing, the system will notify me. It will give me a notification here in the notifications bar, and a pop-up will appear on my screen. You can see the system has active hours. My system takes from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. That's The system is smart. It knows automatically the adjust active hours automatically. When my system is active, when I'm working, I'm using applications, the system will not restart on its own. But if I would like to choose to give the system time, what time, from 8 to 5, then system will automatically or manually it will go. For example, I work from 9 to 3. After this time, 3, sorry. After this time, the system will restart based on the timings that have been given. If I select automatic again, it will select what time I am mostly active, and system will not restart during those times. If there are any optional updates, for example, any driver, any quality updates, you can see them here, and you can fetch them from the Microsoft Update Server. Delivery optimization, again, you can allow downloads from local network devices on the internet and my local network. This setting is if you are within an organization and one organization's PC or the server has downloaded the update, instead of your system or your all network systems using the bandwidth again and again, they will simply fetch data from the system that has already, or the server that has already downloaded the updates. There are advanced options also. You can choose bandwidth, means you cannot allow absolute bandwidth, that is unlimited. You can give them download and upload, and what is remaining, it will show you here. You can set up a time or set up a limit of how much bandwidth is used during the downloads, how in the backgrounds or foregrounds. Foreground means if you are checking here what the update is installing. That is called delivery optimization. You can choose recovery also. You can fix your PC problems by recommended troubleshooting, or you can fix the PC by resetting the PC. You can go and reset the PC. That means reset this PC, choose to keep the personal files, then reinstall the Windows. You can easily reset. If you click here, reset, it will ask you some options, settings. You want to keep the files or delete, and the settings you want to keep them or delete. And then it will reset Windows like a fresh, like you reset your mobile phone if you are changing it or something. You can go back. If this version is not working properly, try to uninstall the latest updates. You can go back, click go back, and it will give you the option why you are going back. After you select this, it will ask you which updates the system, which dates you would like to go back to. Then you choose from those dates. Then advanced startup. Restart your device to change startup settings, including startup from disk or USB. You can restart now and choose those settings. that comes under restart recovery. We go back to our advanced options, and that is restart. That was recovery. Restart apps. You can choose to restart apps using these settings that we have already gone through during our accounts video. And lastly, we have configured update policies. If there are any policies, if this device is being controlled by any company, any school or university or organization, the policies will appear here when to get the update and when not to get the update. I hope that makes it clear. Thank you for watching.